Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing way to create music that's 100% unique to you and free of copyright issues. The best part, you'll be the only one using this track, so it becomes your exclusive property. And you can use it in your YouTube videos, no matter the content, without worrying about copyright or monetization issues. Oh, and I've got a surprise for you at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Before we begin, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Your support helps me create more valuable content. All right, let's go. Step 1, click the link I've pinned in the comments below to go to the website we'll be using today. And hey, don't forget to leave me a comment to motivate me. Seriously, your feedback means the world to me. Just kidding. Step 2, once you're on the website, you'll see a wide selection of music tracks created by other users. You can listen to them one by one.
The water's deep and still she floats.
If you like any of the tracks, you can take inspiration from their descriptions to create something similar. But today we're here to create our own unique music, so let's dive into that. Step 3, create an account. Click on the sign in button and choose the account type you want to sign up with. It's super quick and easy. Step 4, start creating your music. Once you've signed in, click on the create button. Now, this is the exciting part. Select upload audio. You can upload any music track you like, as long as it's copyright free. Remember, the site limits uploads to 2 minutes, but don't worry, you can use another tool to trim your audio or isolate the specific parts of a track. Toggle the instrumental option. This ensures the site focuses on the background music without vocals. 3, describe your music style. Write down the type of music you want. For example, I want an energetic track for action films and stories. Be as specific as possible. A title, you can name it whatever you like. It's entirely up to you. Finally, click create and wait for a few seconds. Boom! This site will generate 2 unique music tracks for you. Let's listen. Wow, they sound amazing. You can now download your favorite one, and it's ready to use in your videos. Now for the surprise I promised you. Go back to the instrumental toggle and turn it off. Type in any song lyrics or phrases you want. For example, I've already prepared some lyrics to save time. Choose your style of music, hip hop, pop, romantic, or anything else you like. Click create again, and boom! You now have a song with real vocals and flawless pronunciation. Let's hear it.
Get on the floor, red one. Let me introduce you to my party people in the club. Ha, I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the chain, baby. It's the truth, I'm like Inception.
Oh, incredible, right? You can upload it to any platform and even monetize it without worrying about copyright issues. That's it. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, leave a motivating comment, and give this video a like so I know how many of you are interested in content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.